Welcome. If you want to send a message to a group on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC and the latest update, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to connect with your group in just a few clicks. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home page, look to the left-hand side of your screen for the Messages icon. It looks like an envelope. Click on it, and you'll be taken to your Direct Messages section. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent conversations. Find the group chat you want to message. If you've already created a group, just click on its name to open the chat window. If you haven't created a group yet, you can start a new one by clicking the New Message icon at the top, entering the names or usernames of everyone you want to include, and clicking Next to create the group. Now that your group chat is open, you'll see a text box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you type your message. Whether you want to share an update, ask a question, or just say hello, simply enter your message in this box. If you want, you can also add a photo, video, GIF, or emoji to make your message more engaging. Just use the icons next to the text box. Once your message is ready, look for the Send button. It usually appears as a paper airplane icon or simply says, Send. Click it, and your message will be instantly delivered to everyone in the group. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can easily stay in touch with your group on X using your PC. Whether it's for work, friends, or a community, group messaging helps you keep everyone in the loop. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting.